Hello learners, welcome to lesson 5. In the last class, we were able to replicate what we have on the left screen here. We were able to replicate it. And what we want to learn in this class is the use of tables. The use of tables. Yes, here on the left, I have a table with serial number. I have option and description. I want us to replicate this table on the right so that we know how to work with tables. So I'm only going to pick this upper part, row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. And it has just 2 columns, column 1 and column 2. I go again. On the upper part of this table, there are 2 columns, column 1 for serial number, column 2 for option and description. And there are 4 different rows. Row 1, where my mouse is hovering to, row 2, row 3, and row 4. So that is what we are going to do in the course of this lesson. And to achieve that, we will go to our insert tab. From that insert tab, there is a group that is called tables. And there is a command under that group that is called table. We are going to click this drop down. This little tiny triangle is called a drop down. We click it, and after clicking it, it shows up what we have here. If you go to your table, like I said, we have 2 columns and we have 4 rows. So we can easily come here from the first one. We drag our mouse gently through so that we can have a 2x4 table, 2 columns and 4 rows. Left click on it. So we have what we have there. Now let us quickly replicate what we have here. On the first field, we have serial, then number. On the second part, we have option and description. After that, we have serial number 1, we have serial number 2, we have serial number 3. The next thing to do here is to resize the column so that it looks very small, like what we have on the left screen. To do that, we move the cursor to the center of the table until it shows this plus sign. We left click, don't leave it, drag it to the left. Drag it to the left. After that, you can come here to this vertex at the right hand side of the screen. You draw the table down to make it look bigger. So from there, you can start to type. I am going to change my font size to 12. I have save. Under it, I have if an existing document is opened, it will be saved. It will be saved as is, otherwise it will display a dialog box asking for the document name. For the lower part, we have save as. I am changing that to 12, and under that I have A dialog box will be displayed asking for document name and document type. By default, it will save in Word 2010 format with extension .docx. On the third part, I will also change it, the size back to 12. I have open. On the bottom part, I have this is used to open an existing Word document. So that is what I have. Quickly, I will change this. I will bring it down to a normal size. Also, if you look at what you have on the left hand side, we have 1, 2, 3, the serial numbers at the center. To be able to achieve that, we come to our Home tab. Under Home tab, we have Paragraph Group. Under Paragraph Group, we have what we call the center alignment. Once you left click once, it brings your 1, 2, 3 to the center. Also, I will make this bold and smaller. This will also go to the center like we have it on the left hand side of the screen. Home tab, Paragraph Group, then Command Center. So I will also make it smaller a bit. Yes, I have my save, bold, bigger. I have my save as, bold, bigger. I have my open, bold, bigger. So that is how to achieve drawing a table. If you need to fill this place with a particular color, you need to fill this particular cell with a particular color, all you need to do is highlight on it, go to the text highlighter. We have it on the text. Also, using this, we also have it on the text. But that is not what we want to achieve. We want to put a particular color within that particular cell. So, in the next lesson, we will learn more on the Microsoft Word environment and how to create a document. Thank you so much.